Welcome to today's discussion on the battle of AI versus human, who's better at energy optimization and resource management. In this video, we'll be exploring the top features, advanced capabilities, and helpful tips that these two incredible technologies have to offer. First, let's talk about AI. AI systems use advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions. They can identify patterns and optimize energy consumption in real time. These systems are constantly learning and adapting, ensuring that they provide the best possible energy management solutions. One of the most impressive features of AI is its ability to analyze and understand complex systems. This means that AI can help companies optimize their energy usage across multiple departments, from data centers to manufacturing plants. By analyzing historical data and predicting future trends, AI can help companies reduce energy consumption and optimize resource management. Now, let's move on to human intelligence. Humans possess an incredible ability to learn, adapt, and optimize their behavior based on experience. This ability to think on their feet and make quick decisions is invaluable when it comes to energy optimization and resource management. Humans are also able to analyze situations more deeply and creatively, allowing them to find innovative solutions to complex problems. This is especially true when it comes to energy efficiency, as humans can consider various factors and find the most effective ways to reduce energy consumption. So, who wins the battle between AI and human in the realm of energy optimization and resource management? While AI has the advantage in terms of speed and processing power, humans have the edge in creativity and problem solving. In conclusion, both AI and humans have their unique strengths when it comes to energy optimization and resource management. Companies that utilize the best of both technologies can achieve significant energy savings and improved operational efficiency. By leveraging the capabilities of AI and human intelligence, companies can create a more sustainable and efficient operations environment.